Hi, this is Min and we're back again on She Walks the World, where I try and experiment to cook some of my favorite recipes that I've tried on my travels around the world. You can read more about my travels on my blog at shewalkstheworld.com. So today we're going to head to one of the countries with my favorite food, South Korea. You know, I always have the best foodie experiences in South Korea. And today, it's going to be all about kimchi. So I'm making two of my favorite kimchi dishes, which is Kimchi Jjigae, which is kimchi soup, and KimchiJeon, which is kimchi pancake. So let's dive into the cooking and we'll start with the Kimchi Jjigae. For my kimchi jjigae or kimchi stew, I have 1 cup of kimchi, a box of firm tofu, pork belly that I've marinated with black pepper flakes, about 1/4 of an onion, and for the stew, I have a teaspoon of garlic, about a teaspoon of soy sauce, some black pepper, and because I don't have Korean chili flakes, I'm using normal ones. And I also have 1.5 cups of water and 1/2 cup of kimchi juice. I really wish I have like a Korean clay pot, but this is all I have, so this is what we're using. We're gonna start with putting in the kimchi and the pork belly together with the garlic. We're gonna cook this first until the pork belly is cooked and the kimchi is soft. So once the kimchi is soft and the belly looks like it's almost cooked, you can start by putting in the onions first. Stir a little bit and then add in the water. 1.5 cups of water and the kimchi juice. You can actually get the juice from the bottom of the packet of the kimchi that you've bought, and then we'll bring it to boil for about 20 minutes. While we wait for the stew to cook, we're gonna start on the KimchiJeon, and I have here 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of kimchi. I have about 1/4 of an onion, 1/2 cup of kimchi juice, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, some salt, and because I don't have spring onions, I'm gonna use chives. So first, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. I'm gonna mix the cornstarch, flour, and the salt. After it's all mixed up, we can add in the kimchi, the onions, the kimchi juice, and the water. Mix it all up nicely. Continue stirring the mixture until it's well combined. And now we're gonna heat up the pan. When the skillet is hot, you can pour in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, you can put in the batter. Try and spread it around the pan. You want it slightly thinner so that it's easier to cook. Cover all the holes. You don't want any holes in your pancake. And let it sit until the other side is cooked. Ta-da! I managed to salvage my pancake. So while we're waiting for the pancake to fully cook, let's prepare the pancake sauce. So for the pancake dipping sauce, we have 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon of water, 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, a couple drops of sesame oil. And now that the pancake is done, we're going to get back to the stew. Oh, the stew is smelling so good! Now it's time to put in the tofu, as well as some of the sauces. Soy sauce, a little bit of pepper. All this is to taste, up to you. And the chili flakes. And let it boil for another 5 minutes, till the tofu is cooked. Soup is done and ready to be transferred into my bowl.
Wow!
And there you go, 2 dishes with lots of kimchi in them. I absolutely love my Korean food, so I can't wait to dig in. This is Min on She Walks the World. Thank you for joining me in yet another episode. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see me cook more international cuisines that I've tried on my travels around the world. And if you want to see a specific dish, don't forget to let me know. Alright, so now let's start eating because I really can't wait anymore. That's eaten with